Hello everyone. So you would like to know what is the difference between best of one or best of three in Magic the Gathering Arena. That is pretty easy, and best of one, you just play one game and who wins goes up and who loses goes down. Best of three instead is you play best of three games. So basically the first person that wins two games goes up twice as much as the normal games, or goes down. I think it goes down by 2 also, but I'm not sure. I usually don't play it. So it's a very simple difference. You can play each one the way you want, and pay attention that there are also some slight changes in the cards, because certain cards are banned in a format or the other. It's very rare, but it does happen. So just pay attention to that and you will have fun. Also, in best of three, the side deck is also very important. The sideboard is very important. While in the best of one, there is no sideboard, basically, because you never interact with it. And in the best of three, instead, you can use the sideboard and modify your deck between the games, the 3 games that you can play at most. So this is it. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.